Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The iPhone 15 is the upcoming flagship smartphone from Apple, scheduled to be released in September 2023. It is expected to be a major upgrade over the iPhone 14, with new features and improvements across the board. The iPhone 15 is expected to feature a new design, with a flat-edge chassis similar to the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. It is also rumored to have a smaller notch, or possibly even a hole-punch display. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a 6.1-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels. The display is expected to be HDR10+ compliant, and to support a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Processor: the iPhone 15 is expected to be powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which is rumored to be manufactured using a 4nm process. The A16 Bionic is expected to be a significant upgrade over the A15 Bionic, with improved performance and efficiency. Camera: the iPhone 15 is expected to have a triple-lens rear camera system, with a 4.8MP main sensor, a 1.2MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 1.2MP telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is expected to be a 1.2MP sensor. Software: the iPhone 15 is expected to run iOS 16, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 16 is rumored to include a number of new features, such as a redesigned lock screen, improved notifications, and new augmented reality capabilities. Battery: the iPhone 15 is expected to have a larger battery than the iPhone 14, with a capacity of up to 3095 mAh. This should provide users with longer battery life, even with the more power-hungry A16 Bionic chip. Pricing: the iPhone 15 is expected to start at $799, which is the same starting price as the iPhone 14. However, it is possible that Apple may increase the starting price of the iPhone 15 due to the rising cost of components. Conclusion: the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be a major upgrade over the iPhone 14. It is expected to feature a new design, a more powerful processor, a better camera system, and a longer-lasting battery. The iPhone 15 is expected to be released in September 2023, and it is sure to be one of the most popular smartphones of the year. Additional information: here are some additional details about the iPhone 15. It is rumored to be available in 4 colors: black, white, blue, and red. It is rumored to support 5G connectivity. It is rumored to have a new cinematic mode for video recording. It is rumored to have a new health sensor, such as a blood pressure monitor. Overall, the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be a major upgrade over the iPhone 14. It is expected to feature a number of new features and improvements, making it one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.